In this video, I will show you how to make your own Facebook page. I will guide you through the step-by-step process in setting up your Facebook page. Log in to your Facebook account. Click the Create button. You will see a drop-down menu and look for Page. You are directed to the Create page. You have the option to choose to create a business page or a community public figure page. You may choose business if you are creating a page for selling or promoting your products or services in Facebook, while in community or public figure, you may choose this if you are creating a blog, sharing valuable contents to people using this page. Let's choose to create a business page. Click the Get Started button. You will be asked to create a page name and a category that describes your page. Choose a category that is suitable for your business. You may try different keywords if available. If not, you may choose a general category for your business. Facebook will ask you to upload a profile picture for your business page. It would be advisable to upload your logo. Then you may upload a cover photo or skip it for later upload. Let's upload one now. You have successfully created your Facebook business page. You may edit more functions in your business page. Let's click this Add a button right here. This allows your customers or audiences to engage with you. If we choose Book Now, Facebook will ask to where we would like to send people when using this Book Now button. This could be setting up an appointment, directing them to your website outside Facebook. Now let us link it to a website. Input the data, then click Save. You may do a final review to check for errors. Let's click the Submit button. As you may see, the Book Now button is added in your page. You may test the button if it does work and goes to your website. Let's check if it directs us to the website. Now we need to go to Settings, then Page Info. Here you may type in a good description for your page. The information that you fill in are the data that your customers will see if they check out your Facebook page, such as where should they contact you, your website, email address, and location, if your business is located inside another place like a building, and on what days and time are your business open. People can also see how much your services costs, the products you offer, and your privacy policy. Just fill in the details and click the Save Changes button. Now let's go to the General Settings. We can edit more on the settings on this page if we want to create certain restrictions, like if your page cannot be tagged by your customers, is your page available to all countries or not, what age bracket can view your page, and if you want to recommend your page to others. You may go through all of these settings as they are all self-explanatory. Some settings may be applicable to your business page and some are not. Choose the setting that is appropriate and would help your business page and create a great user experience. Messaging. This feature will allow your audience to receive a message automatically from your page. You may even show them a greeting once they access your Facebook page. This could be a welcome message to your customer. You may personalize this message so that it may seem to address your customer by their first name, last name, full name. Mostly used here by businesses is addressing your customers by their first name. You may also set up an instant reply once they send a message back to you. You may again add a personalization to address them by their first name. Then click Save. You may also inform your customers that for the moment you are probably out of town and will get back to them later. Templates and tabs. You may choose a template that is suitable for your page, and you may view the content when you click the View Details button. Since we are creating a business page, we can choose a template for a business. Here's a list of the menus that your page will have, such as the home button, post menu, reviews, videos, photos, events, about, and community. All these menus have their short description. You'll be able to understand it easily. Let's apply it to our page. Under tabs, you may choose to use the default tabs, or you may arrange the tabs in your own preference. You may arrange it in any way you prefer. You may also turn some tabs off if you don't want them to be included in your page. Just click this button to turn it off. Then if you're done, click Save. It will be important to set this up before posting our contents. Post attribution. This means that your posts, likes, and comments are seen by customers as posted by the Facebook page that you created, while the second one is to be posted by yourself via the Facebook account that created this page. You may also edit the notification settings if you would like to get a notification every time there's an activity in your page, or every 12 to 24 hours, or it can be turned off. You may choose to turn off every type of notification, such as page mention, post comment, new subscribers, followers, likes on your page, and even shares on your page posts. You may choose your preferred settings of notifications here so that you may limit it to the most important ones. Messenger platform. You may edit the Messenger platform if you want to incorporate a chatbot in your Facebook page for replies. Here are sections we can jump into, such as the general settings, where you can add the ManyChat app here to make all responses automated. Messenger link. You may copy this link to use so that people may directly go into a Messenger conversation with you. You may place this anywhere, in a website, an app, a flyer, SMS, or email. Page roles. You may assign anyone who can manage and access your Facebook page as the page owner, an admin who can publish, respond, and delete any comment, and send messages to the customers. In People and Other Pages settings, you may view the people who liked your page, and you may even remove or ban them. Instagram settings. You may edit this setting to connect your Instagram account to your Facebook page. By clicking on the Connect Account button, a pop-up will ask for your Instagram login details. Crossposting. This allows you to add another Facebook page for posting a content or videos on each other's behalf. We're now done with the settings. Let's go back to our Facebook page. Look for the menu About. In this About page, you may also change your page's username. Click this Create Page at Username link. It will give you a pop-up window where you can input your preferred username. When customers search for your business, it will be easier for them to find your page. But you may want to run your Facebook page for a few days and achieve a goal of getting a higher number of likes in order for you to customize your Facebook username. Now you may post a content so that people will see your page and be able to engage in your post. This way, you may have more people to reach and your page be known. More importantly, you may want to give a valuable content that people will stop and read your post as they're scrolling their feeds. You may post videos, how-tos, and some articles.